Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the snowflake puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 3 snowflakes inside the frame. If you take a closer look at the puzzle, you will find that all 3 snowflakes are exactly the same, and the frame has quite unusual shape. The solution of this puzzle is not just to fit all 3 parts inside the frame, but also make a symmetrical shape, which will be quite an unusual solution. If you like how the snowflakes puzzle looks and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. First of all, I have to remember the correct way to put parts. Oh, I think that I already found it. So you put 2 snowflakes on the bottom like so, and then you add the last one on top, but it fits very tight, and that is how you solve the puzzle. As you can see, I was able to fit all 3 snowflakes inside, and I have a symmetrical shape. It is not just a regular symmetrical shapes, it has a 3-sided symmetry. If you take a look at this side, then at this side, then this side, you will find that all of them look exactly the same. And I was able to fit all parts inside the frame. So that is quite a tricky solution of the puzzle. If you like how the snowflakes puzzle looks and you want to try some other puzzles designed by Vladimir Krasnoukhov, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.